Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In my upcoming workshop, we'll be focusing on painting trees that are in the winter. In the winter, trees, majority of them, unless they are evergreen, they would probably lose all their leaves. So in a way, this is a class that we work on doing the tree trunks and the branches as well. But then we'll focus on specifically how to depict them in winter. And so in my workshop, I will talk about not only, basic painting of trees and branches, but then focus on trees that actually shed their leaves in the winter. So we will also focus on, like what are some of the tips of doing trees that are kind of like have a lonely and cold feelings. And we'll also work on, how to apply washes that keep a kind of like a solitude ideas. And then there are also trees that maybe they're evergreen. So what I'm going to do is included in the workshop, I will show you, for example, pine tree is an evergreen. So when the winter comes, I will show you what is a quick and easy way to do the white with the snow on the pine trees in a very easy way, which is a cheating of doing the resist. This is, by the way, the white of the paper. This is not the opaque white. We actually skip it. So I'll show you how to do that for the pine trees. And also, if you would like to have something on the trees, one of the classic items that we'll have in Sumier painting for winterscape are actually the plum blossom. Plum blossom, traditionally, the flower come out before the leaves. And because the flower come out before the leaves, sometimes, especially in China, there may be, sealed with snow scene, but then some trees would have blossoms in the trees and they will be plum blossom. So a classic way of decorating the painting would be with red dots. So we will also work on, after painting the trees, how to strategically add the red dot to enhance the painting and also still keep its solitude and peaceful feelings. So we will have a workshop focused on doing trees, specifically the one for winter. And in our demo painting, we'll either work on doing the resist for the pine trees or a snow scene from a classic poem that a lone fisherman is fishing in a pond that is frozen with everything white surrounding him. So we'll do that for our demo painting, and I hope to see you in the winter tree workshop. Thank you.